Welcome back, Antonia team. Welcome back to my channel. It's Gachadalia. Now, I have a tour of my new office. My dad finished assembling it. First, we have some candy, and we have a desk chair, an octopus, some toys whenever I'm bored, Among Us figurines, I know, my stationery, my Irish flag, my infinity cube, my Google Home. Pause now. My frames. What do you think is in here? My fidgets, of course. You know that already. Okay, another frame. A drawer with all my other stationery. A cabinet with my pencil cases, paper, and laptop. This is my math solver. As you can see, my name is here because it's almost Christmas. I sometimes eat and do my homework here. So that's all, Antonia team. Make sure to subscribe. Bye!